Good morning, 8th class students. Students, today we will start our chapter factorization because the chapter direct and inverse proportion has been deleted from your syllabus. So, today we will start our chapter factorization. So, what is factorization? Factorization is the process of it is the process of it is the process of finding two or more two or more expressions two or more expressions whose product is the given given expression. Once again, factorization is the process of finding two or more two or more expressions whose product is the given expression. Let us take an example. Letter 2xy, it can be factorized as product of two or more 2 multiply x multiply y. And you already know about the factorization of 10, that is equal to 2 into 5, and if we take 25 then 5 into 5. These are the factorization. Now we have to factorize some polynomials like linear, quadratic, cubic, but in your syllabus only up to quadratic equation to find the factorization of quadratic equation. Let us start some questions to find the factorize. Let us 12x square minus 15x by. How we will find the factorization of 12x square minus 15xy? We will take here common from 12 and 15, but will be common, that is 3. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, and inside here x square, here x, then x will be common, and inside bracket there is 4x, because 3 into 4 12, and x multiply x square, because bases are same and powers will be added. So 3x multiply 4x 12x square, and here minus, and 3 is common from 15, then here this bracket means multiply, then 3 5 ja 3 5 ja 15, and x taken out, and but will be remaining here by. So these are the factors, two or more factors of the expression, that is known as factorization. Also you can find the factorization of 4x square plus 12x. Here 4 is common between these two, and x will be common, and inside of bracket there will be x plus 12. 4 is common, and here is 3, because 4x into x 4x square, and 4x into 3, that is 4 3 are 12x. So these are the simple factorization of the equations, or you can say the expressions. Now our main motive is to find the factorization of the quadratic equation. And what is quadratic equation? Whose highest power on the variable is 2. Highest power on the variable is 2. Highest power on the variable is 2. Here like this, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation. Now we are going to find the factorization of the quadratic equation. Let us take an example. X square plus 5x plus 6. These equations, or to find the factor of the quadratic equation, these are very important from the examination point of view. How we will find the factorization of this quadratic equation? Here coefficient of x square 1, and coefficient of x is 5, and constant term is 6. Now first we will multiply first and last. 1x square multiply 6, this will be equal to 6x square, and here middle one is plus 5x. Now we will find the factorization here of 6. That number will be multiplied, we will find the factorization of this number. 2 3 are 6. So here 2 and 3, because 3 2 are 6 and 3 plus 2 5. So this is the method to find the factorization. Main focus is to splitting the middle one term. So x square remaining as it is, plus 6 as it is, and plus here 3x plus 2x. Now we will check our result. 3x into 2x we get 6x square, and 3x plus 2x we get 5x. So these are the factorization of this quadratic equation. Now taking common from these first two parts, what will be common? X is common, and inside x plus 3, because x is common from here and from here, and plus what will be the next? 2 is common, and x plus 3, because these two factors will be always same for any quadratic equation. So x plus 3, x plus 3, and here will be number is 2. Which number? 2, because plus 2x, 2x, 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 3, 2 3 are 6. Now taking common from these two, x plus 3 is common, goes from this part, and from this part x plus 3 is common, and inside x plus 2, here x plus 3 is common, here x is remaining, and plus 2 is remaining from this part, because x plus 3 is common from these two, and x plus 2 is. So these are the factorization of this quadratic equation. And you will try this question: x square plus 9x plus 14. You will try this question. Thank you.
ਮਲਟੀਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਡਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਫੈਕਟਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਮਿਡ ਤੇ ਮਿਡ ਟਰਮ ਚੁਣੇ, ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਣੇ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਸੀ? ਪਰਸੈਂਟੇਜ,
ਹਾਂ
ਮੈਜਰਮੈਂਟ,
ਜਿਹੜਾ
ਪੈਰੀਮੀਟਰ।
ਅੱਗੇ ਲੱਗਣੇ।
ਹਾਂ, ਫਿਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੁਣ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਚੈਪਟਰਸ ਇਹ?